An airstrike outside a family home in Gaza has pushed the Palestinian death toll past 100 in 4 days of cross-border fighting. Medical officials say at least 75 civilians, including 23 children, were among 115 people killed in the aerial bombardments that Israel began on Tuesday. An Israeli airstrike also killed 5 youths and wounded 15 other people outside a family home in the northern Gaza Strip earlier today. Their bodies were taken to Gaza City, where residential buildings were also damaged in overnight strikes. Palestinian President Mahmoud Abbas has urged the United Nations Security Council to order an immediate truce.